5 common Xiaomi phone problems and how to fix them. 1. Overheating. I come across a lot of Xiaomi users complaining about their phone, saying the device gets heated up when you charge it for long, and in some cases, when you use the phone for a longer duration. Avoid charging your phone for hours at a stretch unless you plan to use your phone like a heater during winters. Stop the Live Wallpapers option on your device, as it consumes excessive battery and keeps the processor busy, resulting in overheating. Stick to static mode for wallpapers and do not use your phone when it's charging. Avoid playing high-resolution games or using multiple applications at once, as this heats up the device very easily. If you've been facing this issue, try these tips at home before rushing to a Xiaomi service center. 2. Bad battery life. Phones are popular for the features they offer, no doubt, but they're also equally popular for a bad battery life, especially in case of Xiaomi Mi 3. Although it's equipped with a high-capacity battery of 3050 mAh. After all, it comes with an HD screen and the Qualcomm Snapdragon 801 processor, so it's bound to consume more battery. What you could do is disable the phone's vibrate mode and turn down the screen's brightness. Remember, Li-ion rechargeable batteries generate heat when in use, so avoid playing games for too long. Turn off your GPS and Google Maps and turn them on only when you need to use them, as they consume enough battery. Lastly, do not forget to turn on the battery saver mode. Go to the settings menu, advanced option, battery saver mode. 3. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity issues. Wi-Fi connectivity seems to be a major concern for most Xiaomi users. If you too are one of them, try connecting to your desired network, restarting your device and try reconnecting to the network. If the issue persists, restart the router and reconnect to the network. For the Bluetooth issue, remove all the paired devices from your phone and then try pairing to the device. Or slow performance. Most of us have faced this issue, especially Android users. When your phone slows down, just enable the developer options. By default, these options are hidden, so you need to manually turn them on. Go to Settings About Phone and tap a couple of times on build number until it shows the options. Once done, you will see the options under Settings, Additional Settings. Tap on Options and scroll down to find a window animation scale, transition animation scale and animator duration scale. Turn off those options or reduce them to 0.5x to improve the performance. Help improve your phone's performance. 5. Poor after-sale service. Xiaomi is gradually expanding, but there aren't enough Xiaomi service centers across India yet, as compared to other brand service centers. We tried surfing for some Xiaomi after-sales experience online, and mostly found users complaining about not having too many service centers across various Indian cities. If you are a loyal Android fan and have a Xiaomi smartphone on your must-have list, we would recommend buying it with an extended warranty. Onsitego offers extended warranty on devices with a free pick-and-drop service, which starts immediately after the Xiaomi warranty expires. All the repairs are done at Xiaomi service centers only, and the plan starts from as low as Rs 249. So if you already have the extended warranty plan, you won't have to worry about spending on repairs after the expiry of the Xiaomi warranty.